Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to create your account on Monday.com. Monday.com is a powerful cloud-based platform where anyone can create their own applications and project management software to run their work effectively. So if you also want to get started with this work platform and create your account on Monday.com, then this video is your step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, what you need to do is to go to your local web browser and then type in monday.com in the search bar. And when you press enter, you will be directed to the official website of monday.com. So this is the official website of monday.com, and now all you have to do on this page is to click on get started and you will be directed to the login page of monday.com. Now to create your account, you will have to type in your work email in the email address box here. You also have an option to sign in with Google account. We will continue with our work email here. So let me type my email address. Click on continue and you will be led to this page. Now you will have to provide some basic details here to create your account. So enter your full name, then password. Make sure to create a strong password of at least 8 characters. Then you will have to type in your account name. For example, that can be your company's or department's name. So I'm gonna type WebToTech here. Then click on continue. Now you will have to answer a few questions like this. So the first one is what brings you here today, and you have all these options. I'm going to choose work here. The next one is to describe your current role, and you have all these options to choose from like business owner, team leader, team member, director, and many more. So choose your role and then click on continue to go to the next page. Now these are another set of questions, so you can choose how many people are there on your team from this right here. I'm going to choose only me as I'm the only one who will be using this right now. Next is how many people work at your company. So select from one of these and then let's click on continue and go to next page. From here you have to select what you would like to manage first, and you have all these options to choose from. Select any of these according to your preference. Let me choose design and creative as of now, and you can always add more options in the future. So let's click on continue. Now here it's asking what you would like to focus on first. So it's up to you what you want to focus on. These answers are going to help you in creating your dashboard according to your needs. So select from one of these and then click on continue. And the last one is how did you hear about us? So select your appropriate answer and then click on continue. Now we are almost there in creating our account on monday.com. So let's wait for a while. Now monday.com has a feature in here where you can collaborate with your teammates. So if you want to add your teammates, you can add them from this page. To add them, you'll just have to write down their emails in here, and then you can choose if they're an admin or a member. As of now, I'm not going to do this, so I will click on remind me later. So this is it, we are in. You can start working by naming your project and creating your project boards from here. So this is how you can successfully create an account on monday.com. If you like this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and thank you for watching.